Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your toolbox or just want some cool gadgets to make your life easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing tools you can snag on Amazon. Let's get right into it. Introducing the AMAMAX electric mini drill pen, your ultimate tool for precision crafting on the go. This portable electric drill is compact and lightweight, making it the perfect companion whether you're in your workshop or on an adventure. Slip it into your pocket or bag, and you're ready to unleash your creativity whenever inspiration strikes. Experience exceptional versatility with the SDS mini drill, boasting an adjustable RPM range of up to 900 RPM. This feature allows you to customize the speed for different materials, ensuring smooth and accurate drilling every time. Whether you're working on intricate details or more robust tasks, this electric drill adapts effortlessly to your needs. Included with the drill is a set of 10 titanium-coated steel bits, ranging from 0.6 millimeters to 2.2 millimeters. These durable bits easily handle various materials, including wood, aluminum, and even circuit boards, giving you professional-grade precision with every project. Maintaining a tidy workspace is simple with the included magnetic CNC alloy storage box, designed to hold up to 20 drill bits. Plus, the user-friendly bit fastening system allows for quick, tool-free changes. Powered by a high-capacity 500 mAh battery, this mini drill ensures you stay productive, while the USB-C charging port makes recharging fast and convenient. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned pro, the AMAMAX electric mini drill pen is an indispensable tool in your arsenal. The strong hand tool's big mouth pliers are a game changer for anyone who needs reliable gripping power and versatility. Their unique crank handle allows for quick opening, closing, and adjusting, making them incredibly user-friendly. One of the standout features is the large capacity adjustment slots, which let you tackle larger materials with ease. The serrated jaw surfaces provide exceptional grip, ensuring that whatever you're working on stays securely in place. There's also a V-notch on the top jaw specifically designed for holding small parts, which is perfect for intricate tasks. The long jaws, measuring 2.5 inches, give you extra capacity and greater versatility when it comes to work holding. Whether you're in the garage, workshop, or tackling home improvement projects, these pliers can handle a variety of tasks. They're designed for efficiency, allowing you to work faster without sacrificing precision. If you're looking for a tool that combines strength, adaptability, and ease of use, the strong hand tool's big mouth pliers are definitely worth adding to your toolkit. With this tool on hand, you can take on just about any task with confidence and control. The Homax TexPro Texture System Sprayer is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to tackle texturing projects with ease. This innovative sprayer offers an excellent alternative to traditional hopper gun systems, making it user-friendly and efficient. You'll appreciate the comfortable, balanced grip, which allows for extended use without discomfort. One of the best features is the easy, ready-to-use cartridges sold separately. This means you can take on jobs single-handedly, without needing additional help. Prep and cleanup are quick and straightforward, so you won't waste time when transitioning between tasks. What really stands out is the consistent quality results you can achieve. The sprayer is compatible with 2 texture formulas, also sold separately, giving you the flexibility to create a variety of looks. With adjustable air pressure settings and different spray tip options, you can customize your finish to suit your needs, whether you're aiming for a smooth wall or a more textured ceiling. Packed in a durable carry case, the TexPro is not just practical but also portable, making it easy to transport for different projects. If you want to elevate your texturing game, this is a tool you should definitely consider. The Kata hacksaw is an essential tool for anyone needing a compact and efficient cutting solution. This mini hacksaw features a 10-inch aluminum frame that combines lightweight design with solid durability, making it easy to handle for extended use. The ergonomic double-injection anti-slip grip ensures that you have a comfortable hold while working, allowing for precise control during cutting. One of its standout features is its ability to quickly change blades. Just loosen the fixing screw to replace the blades with ease. The Kata hacksaw is particularly useful for tight and hard-to-reach spaces, making it a must-have for any craftsman's arsenal. It comes with one 10-inch bimetal HSS blade and 2 additional blades for replacements, capable of cutting through various materials like wood, PVC, plasterboard, metal sheets, and foam. Designed for functionality and safety, this portable hacksaw includes a dual-action blade lock and boasts a 2.5-inch cutting depth. With a total length of 11.5 inches, it's perfect for various applications. If you're looking for a reliable mini hand saw that combines versatility with ease of use, the Kata hacksaw is definitely worth adding to your toolbox. The berry and bird garden bulb planter is a must-have for any gardening enthusiast looking to simplify their planting process. This stainless steel bulb transplanter is designed with a 4-inch depth mark, making it easy to plant a variety of bulbs, including tulips, daffodils, and lilies, any time of the year. It's perfect for spring and autumn planting, and you can use it for everything from onions to perennial bulbs. One of the standout features is its strong and sharp notch. This design allows the planter to easily penetrate the soil, making your gardening experience much more efficient. You simply insert the planter into the ground, twist it, and pull it out, saving you time and effort compared to traditional methods of digging. This tool is not just limited to bulbs. It's also excellent for creating holes for plants and bulk flowers. With its short handle, it's comfortable to use, and you can maneuver it easily in various garden spaces. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, the berry and bird garden bulb planter is an excellent tool that will help you cultivate your garden with ease. The Makita B 5028947-piece ratchet and bit set is a fantastic addition to any toolbox, offering convenience and versatility in one compact carrying case. This set includes a wide assortment of bits and sockets that cater to all your fastening needs, whether you're tackling DIY projects or professional jobs. You'll find an impressive selection of 11 Phillips bits ranging from PH0 to PH3, making it easy to fit various screw sizes. There are also 8 Torx bits, covering sizes T10 to T40, which are essential for many modern fasteners. Additionally, the kit features 4 slotted bits with sizes ranging from SL6-8 to SL10-12, providing you with the right tool for the job every time. The ratchet mechanism adds to the convenience, allowing for smooth and efficient operation. The bits are securely housed in the sturdy carrying case, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Whether you're working on furniture assembly, automotive repairs, or home improvement projects, this multi-bit set has you covered. With the Makita B 50289 ratchet and bit set, you'll be well prepared for any task that comes your way. The Underground Wire Locator CZI Cable Tester UN301 is an essential tool for anyone who needs to locate wires with efficiency and precision. This rechargeable handheld wire tracer is perfect for detecting buried cables, wires hidden within walls, and even those tucked behind ceilings. It's particularly useful for identifying non-electrified cables like power, network, and telephone lines, making it a versatile option for different applications. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, this wire tracker is built to last. It features a simple button operation, an audible buzzer alarm, and an LED flashlight, making it incredibly user-friendly, especially during cable construction and installations. It's also ideal for maintaining communication cables and power supply lines. One of its standout features is the adjustable sensitivity, which allows you to fine-tune both the transmitter and receiver for pinpoint accuracy. This ensures reliable results every time you need to locate cables or circuit breakers. Powered by a 3.7-volt rechargeable lithium battery, the tool includes a low-voltage reminder and a micro USB charging port for convenient recharging. With this wire locator in hand, you can keep working without interruptions, making your tasks easier and more efficient. The Titan ControlMax 1650 18-volt cordless high-efficiency airless paint sprayer is a fantastic tool for any DIY enthusiast, handyman, or contractor. This cordless design allows you to paint and stain up to 3 times faster than using a roller, making it perfect for medium to large projects like outbuildings, playground structures, and field markings. Thanks to its battery-powered feature, you can easily take this sprayer wherever your project leads you. On a single charge, it can cover up to 350 square feet, and it comes with two 2Ah batteries and a charger. It's also compatible with all AmpShare powered by Bosch tools, adding to its versatility. Featuring high-efficiency airless technology, the sprayer reduces overspray by up to 55%, providing a softer spray and better control for a more consistent finish. You can adjust the settings to suit your project needs, whether you want to use it as a backpack sprayer or something stationary. The variable speed controls let you fine-tune your spray, and the 9-foot hose with a swivel feature helps with mobility on the job site. Additionally, the free ControlMax app gives you recommended settings based on your specific paint, quick support access, and a way to keep records of all your painting jobs in one place. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to elevate their painting projects. The Distant Omni table is a versatile 4-in-1 workbench that combines a work table, scaffold, dolly, and creeper, making it an essential tool for both professional contractors and home users. It offers endless possibilities for various projects, whether you're working on woodworking or automotive repair. One of the standout features is its adjustable height legs, allowing you to extend, shorten, or collapse them to fit your specific work needs. Despite its sturdy construction, this portable workbench is lightweight at just 32 pounds, making it easy to transport and store in your workshop, garage, or home. The work surface measures 37.5 by 18.3 inches and has a non-slip design, with a remarkable load capacity of 500 pounds. This means you can tackle larger projects without worrying about stability. The Omni table also includes built-in features like a 110-volt power strip, a ruler and protractor, a drill hole, and a steel hammer surface, ensuring that all your tools are within reach while you work. With inline accessory storage for screws, nails, and drill bits, plus a convenient carry handle, this workbench is not only practical but also designed for efficiency and ease of use. The Distant Omni table truly elevates your workspace functionality. The KAIWA's voltage tester is a highly practical tool designed for anyone who needs to work with electrical systems. This non-contact voltage tester features a dual range capability, detecting voltages from 12 volt to 1000 volt AC, making it suitable for various applications. With its easy-to-read LCD display, you can quickly determine if a wire is live or neutral. If high voltage is detected, the screen turns red, while a green display indicates low voltage or no current. Using the KAIWA is straightforward. Just place the inductive probe near a terminal strip or supply cord, and if it glows red and beeps, voltage is present. It's particularly handy for electricians and homeowners looking to troubleshoot wiring issues. The tester also has sensitivity adjustments, allowing you to tailor your measurements for tasks like checking doorbells or thermostats. Safety is paramount with this tester, which is rated for Cat 3 1000 volt and Cat 4 600 volt meeting CE requirements. It includes a high voltage alert feature and is designed to be compact and portable, with a built-in flashlight for use in dim areas. Plus, the low power indicator and automatic power off feature ensure you're never caught with a dead tool on the job. You'll appreciate its versatility and reliability in every situation.